So now we are going back to PG. So I just wanted to show you, like this is a Bosch company over there, and that's the main highway that we came from, and yeah. So this is the construction building that we're passing through now, and these are my friends over there. So, so we are going back. This is my content now. Okay. So sorry again. I should have kept like this. So yeah, I don't know why they're laughing. So this is a lorry. They're coming forward towards me, but it will go in the right path. I guess. That guy is saying that someone will beat me. I don't know why. Wow, look at the construction. It's a huge one. So there is no restriction to my storage right now, so that's why I'm just keep on recording videos. On the old phone I was not like this. I was like too stingy while recording since my storage was totally full and it was around 64 GB. Right now it's 128, no, 256 GB. So this is upgradation that I've done to my life. I don't, yeah, why I'm speaking like this. So this is the back of the building. So we are going back to PG. This is a moon over there, and it's not clear since I'm taking a video. And my mobile is not Samsung's, and it's a budget phone. It's a Realme GT60 with 12 GB RAM. It was not at all necessary. Yeah. I guess Suraj wants to speak something. Suraj, want to speak something, bro?
No, nothing, bro.
Why, no, bro?
Cool.
Why cool, bro?
What interesting, bro?
What is Nelson doing over there, bro? He's laughing by himself.
For the first time.
Oh, he has many accounts, bro. Can you show to my viewers, bro? I have 4 subscribers. I don't know why they have subscribed for. No, bro. My account is different. User ID. So, this posh uncle going to cycle, and this is where all the what I say, like the, hey, let's go over there, right? Can we show this to my viewers, bro? No, we're going back. Some other day we will show you this place. It's so quiet. All the black market business runs over there, and this is the company over there, bro. This is how it looks right now. So we are going back to our place. That's a PG. Construction site. It's cool coming here. We're exploring some places in Electronic City. My idea is like I will take around 10 minutes. Welcome to the main road, right? There will be many people, so I can't take a video of that. So keep it simple, where I will take a video where people don't see me, like the construction site is good. So let me finish my vlog over here. Yeah.